Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you today? Fine. Okay, I am also fine. Before starting our class, first two of you join we will start our class with prayer. Okay? We will start our class with prayer. So all of you join your hands, close your eyes. All of you join your hands and close your eyes and say Om. 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 Yes, open your eyes, hands down. Good. Okay, all of you. All of you fold your hands and sit straight. Okay, and look at me. Stand. Okay. So, we have learned phonic sound A. A to I. Okay. We have learned phonic sound A to E. What we have learned? We have learned phonic sound A to E. Okay. A. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? A. B. B. K. K. A. B. K. D. 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 A. B. K. D. B, K, D, E. Okay. A, B, K, D, E. G, G. E. Okay, we have learned phonic sound of A, B, K, D, E, G, H, E. Okay, we have learned phonic sound of these letters. Okay, so today we will learn phonic sound of letter J. What we will learn? We will learn phonic sound of J. Okay? Look here. All of you, look here. We will learn phonic sound of J. J, 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 J. You repeat after me. J, 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 J. Okay. J for jug, J for jar, J for jam, J for joker, J for juice. Okay. J for jar, J for jar, J for jar, J for jam, J for joker, J for juice. Okay. J, 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 jar, J, jar, J, jar, J, jam, J, jam, j, jam, j, joker, j, joker, j, joker. Okay, j, juice, j, juice. Understand what we have learned? Today we are learning phonic sound of letter J. What is the sound of letter J? J, 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 J. Okay. Repeat after me. J, 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 J. Okay. Now look here. J, J for J. J for Ja. J for Sam. J for Joker. J for Juice. So you repeat after me. J, J. Yes. J, 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 J. Yes, repeat. J, J. Okay. Yes. J, J. Then J, Ja. J, Ja. Yes, repeat now. You also repeat with me. Okay. J, Ja. J, Ja. Yes. J, Jam. J, Jam. J, Jam. Okay. Yes, you also repeat with me. J, Jam. J, Jam. You ate a jam. Is it jam? You know, na? Yes, it is sweet in taste and it is made of mixed fruit. Yes. J, Joker. J, Joker. J, Joker. J, Joker. You have seen Joker in this circus? Yes, Joker. What is it? Joker. J, juice. J, juice. Okay. J, juice. J, juice. Okay. What we have learned today? We have learned phonic sound of J. That means it is J. Z. How you will say? Z. Z. J. 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 Okay. J. Like this you have to say. Yes, repeat after me. J. J. Yes, repeat after me. J. J. Yes, very good. Again. J. J. Very good. Yes, clap for yourself. Very good. You're so sweet, children. Okay, again. We will repeat the phonic sound. Okay. What we will do? We will repeat the phonic sound. J, 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 J. Okay, J, J. J for J, J for Ja, J for Jam, J for Joker, J for Juice. You don't have to write. You have to do only oral. Okay, this is all oral part. J, 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 jug, j, jar, j, jar, j, jar, j, jam, j, jam, j, jam, j, joker, j, joker, j, joker, j, juice, j, juice. Okay, very good. You are so sweet children. Okay, now look at the board. All of you look at the board. A, B, B, A, B, B, C, K, C, K, D, 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 E, A, E, A, E, A, F, F, G, 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 H, 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 I, E, I, E, I, E, J, 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 J. Okay, again. Now you also repeat with me. Okay. A, aeroplane, apple. B, B, bus, bag. C, cup, cat. D, 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 doll, door, dot. E, A, elephant. Okay, elephant. Then E, elephant. E, then tell me what? E, engine. Okay. F, fish. Fan, fan, fan. Fish, fish, fish. Okay. G, 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 G. Gun, girl. G, G. H, hat. J, 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 jug, jar, jam, joker, juice, juice. Okay, what we have learned? Today we have learned phonic sound of letters A to J. A to J. So you have to do practice at your home. What you have to do? You have to practice at your home. Okay. Understand? One more time we will revise. Okay. A, B, 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 C, K, C, K, D, 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 E, A, E, A, F, F, G, 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 H, 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 I, E, J, 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 J. Yes, my dears. Have you understand? Abacada, abacada, E, A, G, E, J. Okay. Yes, very good. You also do practice at your home. Okay. Let us do one rhyme. Let us sing one rhyme. For that you have to stand up and do with action with me. Okay? You have to do with me with action. Okay? Are you ready? Let us start. Okay. Let us start. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Yes. You also say with me with action. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John. Brother John. Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding ding dong. Ding ding dong. Yay! Very good. Again we will sing. Again we will say, we will sing rhyme with action. What we will do? We will say rhyme with action. Okay. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John. Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding ding dong. Ding ding dong. Ding ding dong. Yay, very good. Very good, my dear children. Very good. Good. Very good. Okay. What? Again you want to say rhyme? Okay. But you have to do action. Okay, then only we will say rhyme. Okay. Ready? Are you ready? Okay. Let us start. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John. Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding ding dong. Ding ding dong. Ding ding dong. Yay. Okay. Now sit down all of you. Hold your hands. Sit properly. Okay. We have what we have done today. We have learned phonic sound of letter J. Phonic sound of letter J. Okay, and what is the sound of J? J. What is the sound of J? J. What is the sound of J? J. Yes, can we say loudly? What is the sound of J? J. Say loudly. What is the sound of J? J. What is the sound of J? J. Say loudly with energy. Say loudly. Yes, I am not hearing you. Say loudly. What is the phonic sound of J? J. Very good. Jug, jug, jar, jar, jam, jam, joker, joker, juice, juice, juice. Yes. Okay. We have learned phonics sound today. Again. A, I, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J. Yes, very good. Okay, I have given you homework in Prewinkle's book. Okay, you have done letter A, B, C, D. Okay, so today your homework is you have to write letter E. What is your homework? You have to write letter E, capital E in your book, not in notebook, in your book which we have given you now. You have purchased the book, so in book you have to write letter E. What you have to write? Letter E. We have done till C and D. We have done till letter C and D. So you have to write. The homework is there. You have to complete page 11. Okay, in your Prewinkle's book. Okay. Okay. Now look at the board and just revise one time. Done? Revision done? Okay. So, bye. Take care of yourself and have a nice day. Okay?